In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a guidance line based on an existing field boundary using the SmartPath feature on the InCommand Go display. A guidance line based on a field boundary simplifies auto steer for any operator that would like their first pass to be around the exterior of their field. Begin by starting from the home screen. We will use a tillage configuration for this example. Tap the next arrow. Select the appropriate grower, farm, and field. Ensure a boundary is present. Tap the next arrow. Start a new event and tap the next arrow. Finally, tap the green check to get to the run screen. When you start a new event, you'll be prompted with the new guidance pattern screen. SmartPath must be selected to use the boundary guidance feature. Tap Change Pattern and then select SmartPath. Ensure a guidance width is accurate. Tap the green check. Tap the wrench for additional boundary guidance settings. On the Boundary tab, both the outer and inner boundary guidance lines can be disabled. An offset can also be entered that will adjust the distance a guidance line is from a boundary. This offset applies to both outer and inner boundaries. Path smoothing can be used on SmartPath to smooth out any jaggedness when the line is generated. There are 4 options in the drop-down that vary in the smoothing of the head changes. Tap the green check. On the SmartPath tab, tap Create AB to mark points A and B to enable SmartPath. Then tap the green plus sign, and then tap the green check. When you have reached a spot in your field that you want, tap A to mark it in your field. Begin driving till you have reached the point that you want to mark point B, and then tap B. You should get a notification that a new guidance pattern has been saved. Now you will be able to successfully generate boundary guidance lines while using SmartPath. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.